Hello everyone, Adam with AJT Design. Today we have an instruction video, and this is a shift knob for the 2025 and up Ram. Before we get started, I will make the comment that this shift knob setup, this looks very similar to the 2019 to 2024, but the shift knob and the interface itself is different. So we have two different products. We've had our 19 to 24 version available for a long time. They switched it up for the 25 model year. So we've developed a new product. It's all very similar. The geometry is just slightly different. So just when you're ordering, be aware of that to order the correct one. But anyways, this is an instruction video. This is a very simple install. So we'll get started. First of all, you don't need to remove this whole module from your truck. We're just doing this because it's easier, and also this was cheaper than buying a whole new truck. So first thing you want to do is take a small screwdriver where we're going to pry this cap off. This is a plastic cap that's secured with some adhesive tape. And depending on how much you care about saving this one, you might want to be a little bit careful. But if you don't care about saving this piece, then just get in there and pull it off. This one's been off before, so you might struggle a little bit harder, but it's pretty easy. As you can see, it's just a little ring of adhesive tape comes right off. Next, you're going to want to remove these three screws. This is a T9 Torx bit, and we include this tool with every order, so you don't have to worry about going out and finding one of these. So you take the included tool and you just take these out. Don't lose these, you got to save them to install the new one. So just pull all three of these out. Take that off. We take the new shift knob and we just simply place it on here, and it'll fall right into place. And we'll take the screws from here. This kind of comes apart. You take these three screws and you just simply put them right back in. Let's see here. There we go. Don't put Loctite on these. This is threading into plastic. And the other ones just don't need Loctite. So really I wouldn't recommend putting Loctite on any of this. Next, we simply put the cap on top of this. And if you've had one of these for a previous version, it's exactly the same how they all go. Just want to line up. Oh, there we go. The holes there. And screwdriver, hold on. I'm back. We'll include one of these too. It won't be a screwdriver this nice, but it'll be a little Allen key to put these 6 Allen screws in. So the only tool you really need is the little screwdriver to pry the plastic cap off of the factory piece. Other than that, everything's pretty well included. There you have it. All done. Shift knob Ram 2025 and newer. Thanks for watching.